And welcome back to the Casual Chef Kitchen. You know who I am. This is my last meal day. 1 full year cooking well over 300 unique recipes from many different ethnic groups, ethnic regions, and so forth. Let's show you the prep for tonight. Hardware still there. Got some steaks, some ribeyes, some baby belly shrooms I've cut down a little bit smaller, shallot, red bell pepper, frozen corn, frozen peas, red onion, butter for 2 dishes, garlic, which is for the corn and peas, the black peppercorns, which I will use my small little mortar and pestle to break up, and some dried parsley. So there's my prep. Have a great afternoon, eat great food, and have fun cooking.